Hey guys, welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. In my last video I said I would eventually unbox this, so we're going to get to that. I removed the plastic to speed up some time, plus I didn't want you to witness me stabbing myself with the X-Acto knife the way my luck is going. Anyway, let's open this up, take a look. Okay, so like I said, it's not quite vintage. This is a repop of a vintage kit. This is a 1995 release right here. So let's open her up, take a look. Alright. Got your directions. Holy Moses. So what's cool about these directions is that it's not just pictures with part numbers and stuff, and exploded diagrams. It actually explains what they want you to do. I like instructions like that. It's back when people could actually read. Oh, did I say that? I'm sorry. Decals. Backing paper looks yellowed, but the decals themselves, they look pretty clean and crisp. Not too bad. I've worked with worse, that's for sure. The bag is open, but this was sealed on the outside, so I don't know. Wow, what a mess. Okay, the first thing I'm noticing is there's some things that are off the trees, some loose parts in here. We'll dump them out. Alright. So here's the chassis. Everything is in this purplish color. So obviously there's going to be an awful lot of painting to do. What's this say? This says, yep, copyright 1959 Monogram Models Inc. All rights reserved, made in the USA. Cool. So 1959 must be when the original came out of this. So we got the engine halves here. Ford flathead. Got some cleanup to do. You guys are going to hear fireworks in the background. Happy Independence Day. Two-piece body. I'll have to work with that a little bit because it's going to definitely leave a seam if I don't fill it. I'll have to use the super glue and the baking soda again because it worked out so well. So I have a question for you guys. With these locating pins, do you use the locating pins or do you just do your own thing? Because I'm looking here, and if I use the locating pins, I'm going to have issues. I might have to cut them off and figure it out myself, right? So two-piece body. It's going to have a seam. It's going to have to be worked on. You have your driver. Let me turn this light on. You have your driver. Got your exhaust pipes, got your seat, floorboards, dash, your heads for that flathead Ford, steering components, wheel backs. I'm not sure what these are. Are these wheels? I think they're wheels. Triple carb setup. Part of the roll bar, I'm guessing here. Shifting lever. And you got your grill and headlight assembly and front axle. All one piece. That's unusual. This, sink marks there are going to be a pain in the butt to try to fix. Unless I cut that whole grill out, I'm probably not going to be able to fix that. Got some hubcaps. Yeah, I'm guessing. Let me think about this a second. These are rear wheels. I'm assuming. I'm guessing. However, I do not see front wheels. Oh, you know what? The front wheels have the moon, what do you call them? The moon discs on them. That's why. So these are rear wheels. My goodness, I cannot speak. These are rear wheels. These are headlights. Thought they were hubcaps. Not much to this kit, guys. You have hard plastic 2-piece tires. You gotta glue them together. I wonder if they glue on the inside. No, here. They go on this side. Nope. Maybe they do glue on the inside. No. No way. Hey Rob, how about you pull out the instructions and look at them? Yeah, so see, rear wheels, and then you got the salt flat type discs. Alright. Yeah, pretty much. Put the tires together. And you're going to take the wheel and you're going to press it in, which I can't see that fitting. One of these sides. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, these are the bigger ones, and they press in there, you glue them. They're going to need to be cleaned up. I might do something different. I don't like these wheels already, but whatever. That's about it, guys. That's all there is to this kit. There's not much to it. I didn't see glass for the windshield. And that's okay. I'm going to make my own. So there's a real windshield frame. But I did not see glass. Alrighty then. I'll bag this back up and put it away. Alright guys, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.